Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 30. This is Section 1.4, Problem 30. It says there are usually 28 students in a math class. If there are 17 students in the class, how many are absent? So we usually have 28. And it says that on this particular day, there's only 17 students in the class. So if we subtract 28 minus 17, you can see how many students are absent. So when you do a subtraction, you want to start in the far right column of digits, and I will subtract 8 minus 7, which gives me a 1. Then I move over one column of digits to the left, and I subtract 2 minus 1, which gives me a 1 again. That gives me an answer of 11. So to do a nice job, I'll say 11 students are absent.